Buongiorno! Benvenuti sul mio canale. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to speak some Italian today? Ti va di parlare italiano? Today you will learn something that you can use straight away. In this video, you learn how to conjugate any regular verb in the first person plural, the we person. You will need it all the time when you are talking about you and your friends, partner, family, and you will learn it in the typical smart Italian for busy people, of course. Let's get started. Iniziamo! Oh, by the way, if you like this type of video and you would like to get more of smart lessons for busy people, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Don't waste any time looking for videos. We are all busy people. Let's start with some examples. Can you guess the ending that all these verbs have in common? Cuciniamo, balliamo, cantiamo, giochiamo, mangiamo, andiamo. So, what is the ending? Did you hear iamo, iamo, iamo? This is the ending for all Italian conjugations in the present for the we person. If you already know some Italian verbs, for example, cucinare, are is the infinitive ending, you take it away and you say cuciniamo. Cantare is the basic form, the infinitive, and it becomes cantiamo. Mangiare, to eat, becomes, what do you think? Mangiamo. In this case, since in the stem there is already an I, so pronounced I, then you don't put it twice. And it's just like the others. Mangiamo, cantiamo. And andare means to go. So it will become andiamo. So, but what do they mean? The we person in that case then means, if I say cuciniamo, it's a statement and it means we cook or we are cooking. Cantiamo, we sing or we are singing. Andiamo, we go or we are going. But how can we really use it? So, a great news. When the intonation goes down, it takes the meaning of let's. For example, let's cook, let's go, let's sing, let's play. Do you want to try? Cuciniamo! Cuciniamo! So a bit enthusiastic. And the intonation will make the other person understand that it's let's cook. Cuciniamo! You are somewhere you don't want to be and you say andiamo, let's go. You have done cooking and you want to eat and say mangiamo. You are at a party and you are with friends and you want to say let's dance. How would you say that? The verb is ballare. Balliamo. The good news is that just by changing the intonation, you can say one more very useful thing, which is, if instead of a statement you make it like a question, it's a suggestion and it takes the meaning of shall we. For example, balliamo? Shall we dance? Sì. Cuciniamo? Shall we cook? No. Andiamo? Shall we go? No. Let's recap everything. When you have a verb like in an infinitive form, the basic form you find in a dictionary, like mangiare, cantare, giocare, and also any other ending like dormire, scrivere, You just take the last three letters away, and then you put the ending pronounced iamo. Cantiamo, balliamo, cuciniamo, or also with dormire, dormiamo, scrivere, scriviamo. So it's really the same for the three conjugation types in Italian for the present tense. And it has really three meanings. The first one is just a statement like cuciniamo, we cook, balliamo, we dance, cantiamo, we sing, dormiamo, we sleep. But when we say it with a raising intonation, it's a suggestion. Balliamo? Shall we dance? Cantiamo? Shall we sing? Cuciniamo? Shall we cook? And if you say it with the intonation going down, it's like let's. It means let's do something. Cuciniamo, let's cook. Balliamo, let's dance. Mangiamo, let's eat. A presto! Ciao! I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a reminder, if you like this video and you would like to get more explanations about the grammar, vocabulary, phrases, Italian culture, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up button. See you soon! A presto! Ciao!